At the shoe hospital, we repair thousands of shoes each week. One of the special parts of our repairing is to make sure that our heels are seated the way the manufacturers seat their heels. Old-fashioned heel machines leave the nails exposed on the top of the heel. Our machine pneumatically pushes the threaded nails from the inside of your shoe through the heel base so that it seats that heel to the upper of the shoe and prohibits any squeaking and allows that heel to be set properly, exactly the way the shoe manufacturer did it when they made your shoe.